Students, open your English textbook on page number 83. In this session, we are going to solve questions and write their answers of the lessons which I taught you in previous some sessions. The lesson name is Rip Van Winkle. Okay, now see the students. First question, read these words aloud. Exercise, barrel, strange, fox, returned. Okay, now next, what did Rip Van Winkle do the whole day? Answer is, he slept whole day. Now next, take the correct answers in each. First, Rip Van Winkle was very, which is the correct option, lazy. With whom did Rip Van Winkle go up the mountain? With his dog. Who was Schooner? Schooner was a schoolmaster. Fourth, for how many years did Rip Van Winkle sleep? 21 years. Okay, now see the next. Reading skill. Question first. Whom did Rip Van Winkle meet on the mountain? Answer, a funny looking man. Write the answer like Rip Van Winkle meet on the mountain to a funny looking man. Second question. What did the funny looking man do when Rip Van Winkle placed the barrel on the ground? Its answer is on page number 81. The man pulled out mugs, dipped them into the barrel and drank something. This is the answer of second question. Now third question. Whom did Rip Van Winkle call after waking up? Answer is, Rip Van Winkle called after waking up to his dog. Okay. Now fourth question. What had happened to Van Jamiel? Okay. See. Its answer is on page number 82. Van Jamiel died 18 years back. Now next question. Which incident in the story tells that Rip Van Winkle was a kind man? See, its answer is on page number 81. Rip Van Winkle had climbed so far up the mountain to avoid the work. But here was a man asking for help. He first decided to refuse, but then thought, let me help the poor man, then I can rest. This incident shows that Rip Van Winkle was a kind man. Okay, see the next. Why did Rip Van Winkle feel that the village had changed? See, its answer is on page number 82. When Rip Van Winkle entered the village, he saw new faces. All the people looked at him and rubbed their chins. Seeing them to do this, Rip Van Winkle did the same. And because of that, Rip Van Winkle feel that the village had changed. Turn the page. Question third. Why was Rip Van Winkle overjoyed? See, its answer is on page number 82. A woman said, yes, he was my father. He went up the mountains 21 years back, but never returned. His dog came back without him. At that time, Rip Van Winkle was overjoyed because he found his daughter. See the next question. Do you think being lazy is good or bad? Why? Give the reason. See students, its answer is being lazy is obviously a bad habit because we cannot being lazy we cannot complete our task on time. Okay, now next, reference to the context. Read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. He went up the mountains 21 years back. Who said these words and to whom? A woman from crowd said to Rip Van Winkle. Who is he? He means Rip Van Winkle. Why did he go up the mountains? He go up to the mountain for the rest. Whom did he go with? He go with his dog. Next, do you think Rip Van Winkle started working hard after waking up from his long deep sleep? Give a reason to support your answer. Its answer is like, I think Rip Van Winkle started working hard after waking up from his long deep sleep because he knows the importance of hard working. Now see the next. Work in pair and for this activity, pupil A asked a riddle and pupil B answer it. This activity you can do with your parents or your friends. See, one of you ask the question and second one give the answer. What rises in the east and sets in the west? Answer is the sun. Like that you have to communicate following questions. What hides from the moon and stars? Answer is sun. What has 4 legs but cannot walk? Chair. Okay, like that you have to complete this conversation. See the next. Listening skill. Listen to the sentences. Write the number of these sentences that matches each picture. Okay. Listening text on page number 116. See, first sentence. There was a dog called Fluffy. See, here is the dog. Okay. On the roof of the house, Fluff saw a big bone. Third, the bone had a large red bow tied around it. Why are you crying? Dogs were happy to have a bone. See what you did to my clean floor. See students, first and second number goes to this picture, third number goes to this picture, fourth to this and fifth one is to this picture. Okay. Now next, repeat after the expert. The vowel sound. U sounds as oo, wool, bull, push, good, cook, should, full, bush, would, could, sugar, shook. Okay, you have to repeat the reading. Okay, students, you have to write question answers in your notebook and send me the photocopy. Thank you.